I'm Shreya. In this podcast, we will host my friend Shreya, who is also the admin of Code Cafe. She is a computer science graduate from PDU. She has done 5 internships in different diverse tech stacks, and her latest internship was from HackerRank. So, this podcast would revolve around her professional experiences, how they get started, they went, and what was her personal experience in all these internships. So, reset your Pomodoro. Let's begin. Hi, Shreya. What was your first internship and how it started?
So, firstly, thank you for inviting me, Ria. Thank you for such a beautiful introduction. And yeah, about my internships. So, I started looking for internships. It was the period of COVID, and I had only started for looking in for internships only because peers, like it was peer pressure. Everyone else was doing some kind of internship or other. So I was like, I'm like, am I behind? Like people are getting internships and I'm still stuck here. I don't even have like one internship. So I was like, now it's high time I started looking for internships. So I got my first internship when I was in I think second year, but like fourth semester, something like that. Fourth or like third year probably. So third year. That was my first internship and I'd gotten it through Qwit. Qwit is a platform. They list out jobs and internships on their platform, similar to LinkedIn. And I'd gotten it from there. It was a remote internship.
And just
So
a heads up, this video is not sponsored by Qubit.
yeah, it's not. So I mean, I got my first internship through that platform, and it was a remote internship. So initially, it was meant to be for about a month, but then they were happy with my work, so they kept on extending it. So I was like, I had no problem at all. So I was like, yeah, fine, do it. And even in third year, like we are supposed to do a summer internship, right? So I was like kind of happy कि इसी में हो जाएगा, so I won't have to search for anything else. Like I'll be done through this internship. So that like it yeah worked. So it's not like I just hit on Qvit and like I searched एक internship चाहिए and then I went through the list कि अच्छा this looks good and I hit on apply and then I got the internship. I must have applied for over hundreds of internships on different platforms and finally like one internship I got. And I mean, the stipend wasn't much. It was just 6,000 per month, 6,000 rupees. But I think that even though the stipend is less, you will still remember the most from your first internship. Like, eventually, when you'll keep doing multiple other internships, लेकिन वो पहला वाला याद रहेगा कि यार, this was the best. I learned a lot in this one. So I still remember everything from my first internship because indeed it is special. So that's how it was.
Yeah, totally agree that first internships are really special. And I also really like the fact that we get shortlisted. It's not just a smooth ride every time. It's like the grass always looks greener from far, but everyone goes through a story. So, yeah, it's a best practice to apply everywhere. Don't self reject and keep improvising day by day. So, yeah, that's interesting. And would you like to brief more upon what was the tech stack? And were the rest of internships on the similar tech stack as that of first one? And also, what were the other internships? What did they revolve around?
My first internship's tech stack was majorly like MERN stack, but I was the backend developer, so I worked with MongoDB, Node.js, and AWS. So, yeah, like, it was my first time working with AWS. So, in that sense, I learned a lot. And that internship lasted for about 5 months or something, including the summer internship. So that was good. Like they didn't have any problems as such with my work, but like we had to deal with the big company as our client, like majorly like medium-sized companies. So a small mistake could lead to a big uproar from one side, and then since the developer team is very small, and if I'm the only backend developer involved in that feature, so like उतना फेस करने की आदत नहीं रहती है, but you still have to face it. So that happens. You learn these things like with time. So that is something I learned as well. And yeah, this was the tech stack majorly. We Baki ki internships. So what happened actually was one of the other interns worked in the same company as my first internships. TGH Tech करके नाम था. And so he opened his own company, his own startup. And then he was asking, he called me, ki, Shreya, are you free? We need a backend developer here. And it was in the month of December something. And I needed some internship for the final year, eighth semester wala stuff. So I was kind of lucky. He opened his own startup and he was directly asking me for the opportunity. So I said, yes, sure. So I worked with him for those remaining January till May 5 months ka jitna bhi tha. And yeah, but then my internship started from December. So I actually worked for 6 months. And yeah, so it was based on similar tech stack, MongoDB, Node.js, Express, AWS, yes, and so he had two of his friends in different companies. He was like, "Hey, Shreya, if you're free, can you help them with their backend development team as well?" So I was simultaneously doing 2, 3 internships at one point of time in the month of Feb or something. So it gets tough. Like nobody has to do it, but then if you're getting the chance to do it and learn something, then why not take it? So that's how I juggled between these 2, 3 internships. लेकिन एक टाइम के बाद ज़्यादा हो जाता है। 2 तक रखो, 3 मत करो। 3 is like too much. And then yeah, so I completed all these internships by May 2023, I think. Yeah, 2023. And then my most recent internship was at HackerRank. So they had rolled out the internship posting on LinkedIn, and like in the month of October or something, and I simply applied. Like I didn't make use of any referrals or anything. मैंने बस apply किया because the site kept crashing, and I was like, if I don't apply within this time, तो यार ये application भी निकल जाएगा, and then referral के चक्कर में like I'll just miss on this opportunity. So I'm like बस luck लगा, and the site opened at once. I'm like अब तो कर रही हूँ मैं fill. I'm like I can't miss this. अभी कर दो ऐसे. So yeah, I just applied, and then उनके में प्रॉब्लम है ना कि you can't apply using your normal PDF वाला resume. You have to create a separate resume on their site. कुछ hacker resume करके product है, so you have to use that product, create a new PDF. वो hacker resume ही crash हो रहा है, so how am I supposed to apply? कि resume ही नहीं बन रहा है इधर.
Like nice
हम्म,
publicity of using the
हाँ, हाँ, exactly. तो वो किया and then finally apply हो गया, and the interviews like pretty fast. मतलब TCS के interviews दिए मैंने, Accenture, Deloitte, ये सब IBM के भी दिए. Those are like very slow. मतलब आज इंटरव्यू लिया है तो 2 हफ्ते बाद कुछ आएगा कि क्या है, मतलब स्टेटस तुम्हारे एप्लीकेशन का. हैकरैंग was like pretty fast. मतलब within span of 10 days I got to know like I'll be getting this role ऐसा. So yeah, that's how I got the internship. But the tech stack here was different. Here they make use of Ruby on Rails, React.js, and like even the backend was new to me. And as a backend developer, I'm someone who had never worked on front end side. Like I don't like working with React.js or ये सब. I prefer backend. तो रूबी ऑन रेल्स तो कौन यूज करता है, तो आई हैड नो आइडिया. तो ठीक है यार, किसी को नहीं आता है पूरे इंटर्न्स बैच में से रूबी ऑन रेल्स, कर लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं, ऐसे हो रहा था सबका. सो वी वर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट. अच्छा अभी कोर्स यूट्यूब पे ऑल द कोर्सेज आर वेरी बोरिंग. आई वुड जस्ट सजेस्ट डोंट गो थ्रू देम फॉर रूबी ऑन रेल्स एटलीस्ट. एक ओडिन प्रोजेक्ट करके आता है. ओडिन प्रोजेक्ट इज अ साइट, इट्स अ वेरी गुड साइट. वहाँ पे जाके मतलब you can revise or go through the stuff.
Every
What's
tech
that?
stack?
और मतलब रूबी ऑन रेल्स का फुल स्टैक है और मर्न स्टैक का फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट पूरा है इससे. सो
It's
इट्स गुड.
open
हाँ,
openly
इट्स ओपन
available.
सोर्स ऐसे पूरा. And the worst part is I got to know after I completed my internship. उस टाइम नहीं पता चला कि ऐसा भी कुछ है. तो मतलब ठीक है.
Okay.
That's how I, yeah. So Ruby on Rails, React.js, and they make use of different, like they don't make use of MongoDB. They use a different database. Yeah. So like the tech stack is internship ka was totally different from the previous all other internships. So I struggled a lot with this thing in this internship. So yeah, that's about it.
Okay. So yeah, that's really interesting. I have uh, I have an array of questions, I would say. So at some point of time you mentioned you were doing 2 to 3 internships. So first of all, the corporate world sees it as ghosting. So I would like to know your thoughts upon the same. And secondly, at your personal level, wasn't yeah, like what time management issues थे as कॉलेज भी साथ में था, although वो कोविड ऑनलाइन था, but still.
This happened in the month of January. Like, I was a part of the internship that we were supposed to do in the last semester of our engineering. So I had joined it in December itself. कि December से May तक करेंगे ये internship. So, and I mean, it's not moonlighting or क्या था वो ghosting ये सब कुछ नहीं है. If the person himself asked me to join another company, right? So the friend of mine who had opened a new company, so he offered me an internship. So I joined it in month of December. Then he himself asked me to, if you're free, can you help him help the other person? So I was like, okay. तो फिर आई जॉइंड दैट इंटर्नशिप इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी. तो जनवरी और फेब, हाँ, एक महीने ही था वो. सो इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी आई वाज हैंडलिंग टू इंटर्नशिप्स एट द सेम टाइम. I didn't get to learn much in the other internship. It was like copy pasting code, you know. It's the same code everywhere, so and the same
Bootstrap.
tech stack. तो ऐसे कुछ नया नहीं मिला. जस्ट अ फीचर चेंज और समथिंग न्यू हैज टू बी एडेड इन द स्कीमा ऑफ द डेटाबेस. बस इतना माइनर माइनर चेंज था. ऐसे कुछ आउट ऑफ द ब्लू ऐसे कुछ हम, लाइक वी वरंट प्लेइंग विद MongoDB queries or Node.js clusters. ऐसे कुछ नहीं था. It was just normal thing. And yeah, there was one more internship that I started doing in the month of March. So that was also given to me. I didn't ask it. And the person was uh, like Elite Seller Technologies karke. So the Elite Seller guy himself gave it to me. Ki, can you join this? I was like, okay. So I joined. So
It
March
was
to
like
May.
a quote movement. Everyone
हाँ.
was
हाँ,
approaching.
सब लोग आ रहे हैं मेरे पास. पर ये नहीं था, लाइक स्टाइपेंड रेगुलर नहीं था. लाइक काम तो हो गया है पर कोई स्टाइपेंड नहीं दे रहा है ऑन टाइम, या दे ही नहीं रहा है. ऐसा भी हो रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. अगर पैसे के लिए कर रहे हो इंटर्नशिप तो मत करो. सीखने के लिए कर रहे हो तो अच्छी बात है. बट सीखने को नहीं मिल रहा है तो छोड़ भी दो. करते मत रहो, क्योंकि वो कराते रहेंगे फिर लास्ट में कुछ देंगे भी नहीं. इवन लाइक आई हैड टू बेग फॉर कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट, यू नो, कि अरे कुछ तो दो, प्रूफ तो रहे कि मैं तुम्हारे यहाँ काम की हूँ. फिर ऐसे भी हुआ है. पर रहता है मतलब, लाइक यू गेट टू नो अबाउट हाउ डिफरेंट कंपनीज आर देयर. क्या क्या टैक्टिक्स लोग करते हैं ताकि तुमको मिले ही ना पैसा. और प्लस ये भी रहता है कि लाइक यू गेट टू नो, इफ यू आर वर्किंग फॉर वेरी स्मॉल कंपनीज, बहुत रिस्क है. यू मे नॉट गेट पेड और यू मे गेट पेड. सबका मतलब टू फेस्ड है. इट्स नॉट वेरी फिक्स्ड कि मतलब मिलेगा या इट्स अ वेरी गुड रेप्यूटेड कंपनी, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट. इट्स जस्ट अ स्मॉल स्टार्टअप.
You mean budding startups?
हम्म. लाइक थोड़ा
Okay.
मतलब 2-3 साल हो गया हो स्टार्टअप को तब तुम जाओ, बिकॉज इट्स बिन देयर for some time to know about the different things in the market, तो तुम मतलब ट्राई कर सकते हो, मतलब
So
एकदम
it's
ही नया
better
स्टार्ट।
to research beforehand, reach out to the current employees, have some
यस,
their experience before officially signing.
यस, मतलब कॉलेज में हो तब तक तो कोई मतलब नहीं है, वो तो कहीं पे भी कर लो अगर सही है तो। पर उसके बाद कर रहे हो तो मतलब इट्स वेरी रिस्की, यू माइट नॉट गेट पेड। So college mate doesn't matter, you're doing it for the experience, so it's fine. But after a while, like you should be doing a good background check on these companies before applying.
So the trade-off should be if the main focus is learning or experience, then any budding startup would work. In fact, budding startup would be more helpful as you are more responsible for each of the tasks.
Right.
And after gaining some experience, you should have a balance between learnings and earnings.
Hmm. Right.
Okay. So, lastly, with each of your experience, what was your personal take on work life balance or coordinating with different people and at the same time taking time for yourself, doing things you love? So, how did you manage all three aspects?
It's a very good question. I'm sure like everyone struggles with time management at some point of their time in their career, especially like software developers, even like I had been a part of very small startups before that worked with very small clients, like very small companies, like ऐसे बहुत बड़ी company नहीं थी. Still, मतलब कॉलेज में यू हैव टू स्टडी एंड देन यू हैव टू वर्क एज एन इंटर्न एज वेल। तो वो मैसेजेस आएंगे टेलीग्राम पे कि दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग एंड कैन यू चेक, बट यू आर इन अ लेक्चर, हाउ विल यू चेक? सो यू हैव टू बाय आउट टाइम। अभी लेक्चर से निकलो तो पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर लंच बट यू आर हियर लाइक ऑन द टेबल लाइक गोइंग थ्रू एवरीथिंग। सब लोग अपना ईयर, लास्ट ईयर में कैसा था, सब लोग लैब में बैठे बट दे आर इन अ मीटिंग विथ एवरी वन ऑफ देयर मतलब कंपनी जिसमें भी काम कर रहे हैं, एंड दे आर मीटिंग विद द मैनेजर। वी वर देयर इन लैब, और मतलब सर को भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है और हम लोग अपने मैनेजर से मीटिंग कर रहे हैं। तो मतलब फोर्थ ईयर में थोड़ा फ्रीडम मिलता है ये सब करने का, थर्ड ईयर में नहीं मिलेगा ये सब करने के लिए। तो
PDU is good in that sense.
हम्म, तो फोर्थ ईयर मतलब ये सब थोड़ा फ्रीडम मिल जाता है कि यू कैन आस्क फॉर मोर टाइम फ्रॉम योर लाइक हुएवर इज योर लेक्चरर एट द टाइम, कि सर टाइम दे दो मुझे ये काम करना, तो ही विल अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा यू आर डूइंग एन इंटर्नशिप, दे विल लेट यू गो। पर हर बार टाइम ले पाना मुश्किल है।
But assignments were scheduled later, or I would say postponed, based on the request of multiple students. So that aspect, that cooperative aspect is really good for the with the professors.
आई मिल जाता मतलब एटलीस्ट आई कैन से दैट फॉर पीडीयू। आई होप, आई जस्ट आई कैन ओनली होप दैट इट्स द सेम वे इन अदर कॉलेजेस एज वेल। एंड यार सो ये तो कॉलेज लाइफ का टाइम मैनेजमेंट हो गया, बट वंस यू हैव ग्रेजुएटेड, like in my case I had already graduated when I was with HackerRank, so I had all the time to give to HackerRank, and it's all the tasks that were assigned to me, all those things. But like one thing I've seen that if it's a very if the task is important, you have to complete it within time, मतलब कुछ भी करके तुमको करना है। ये थोड़ा कल्चर कल्टीवेट होने में टाइम लगता है विद इन आवर सेल्स, बिकॉज वी हैव नेवर बिन इन द स्टेज कि इतना प्रेशर हो कि तुमको करना पड़े, या इतना मतलब डेडलाइन का वो हो इम्पोर्टेंट क्रिटिकलिटी उस चीज़ की दैट यू हैव टू डू इट। सो इट टेक्स टाइम टू लर्न दीज थिंग्स, एंड पीपल एक्सपेक्ट यू टू मेक दोज मिस्टेक्स, मतलब इवन दे नो कि हाँ लाइक शी इज़ न्यू टू दिस इंटर्नशिप एंड शी इज़ नेवर इंटर्न लाइक दैट बिफोर, So she will take some time to learn. You can even tell them कि I've never done this before, so it will take me some time to go through it, go through the resources. अभी जैसे मुझे React.js नहीं आता था. So I knew the basics, but like I hated front end development, like outright I hated it. And I was given a total front end development project. मतलब उसका back end ही नहीं है, ऐसा project दिया. So I just told them कि यार I've never worked with it. So I will need some time to go through it. Uh, like you go through it, now you have to start building it. When you start building it, you face errors, right? So मतलब it's very important that you have a very supportive team behind you that is very encouraging and supports you with all the tasks or anything that you face in the company. So that was like I was lucky for that. And मतलब React.js तो हो गया. But like sometimes like people say कि हाँ चैट जीपीटी है, गिटहब का को पायलट है, सब कुछ तो है पर फिर भी नहीं. But ChatGPT pe I was asking very important, like very deep WebRTC questions that I was asked to work with. Even ChatGPT didn't know like how to solve them. I was like,
Still,
अरे यार.
yeah, like many of the time results are not accurate. And second problem, it could be you can't ask a business logic to ChatGPT.
Right. So, I mean, like एक proper company के उससे देखें, so it's most of the companies follow agile development and it's pretty fast, like fast paced and agile. So वो pace keep up करने में थोड़ा वो like it takes time to learn that. But once you learn that, so it's pretty simple. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई मतलब तुमको हटा देगा अगर तुम वो नहीं सीख पाओगे और टाइम पे कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाओगे. यू कैन आस्क देम फॉर मोर टाइम, यू कैन आस्क देम, यू कैन इवन टेल देम कि नहीं हो रहा मुझसे, आई नीड सम हेल्प विद दिस. सो दे विल हेल्प यू. इतना कुछ क्रिटिकल नहीं है. फर्स्ट ईयर एट एनी कंपनी, एट एनी इंटर्नशिप इज देयर फॉर यू टू लर्न एज मच एज पॉसिबल. मतलब मिस्टेक्स करो,
Get
थोड़ा
first.
सुन. हाँ मतलब मिस्टेक्स करो, सुन लो, डांट खा लो, पर लाइक सीख लो मतलब कि कैसे करना है काम. सो
Learning should
एज
be permanent.
हाँ लाइक एज लॉन्ग एज यूर लर्निंग मतलब देयर इज नथिंग टू लूज. वो तुम करो. मतलब दैट्स द मेन जॉब ऑफ एन इंटर्न. इंटर्नशिप मतलब अच्छे से बैठ के ओबीडियंटली वो करने के लिए नहीं है. लाइक इफ यू आर वेरी ओबीडियंट इन योर इंटर्नशिप, आई डोंट थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स. लाइक अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा. सो दिस शुड बी ऑलरेडी टेस्टेड आउट इन योर इंटर्नशिप्स. अभी if you have a job and if you like miss a deadline or if you don't communicate to your product manager enough, designers के साथ बात नहीं हो रही है, so मतलब बहुत जॉब के लिए इट्स वेरी रिस्की. इंटर्नशिप के लिए इट्स नॉट रिस्की. सो टेक एज मच रिस्क एज यू वांट इन एन इंटर्नशिप.
I one of the points I can observe is eh, first one is it's okay to ask for help, and second is be open to feedbacks, even
Yeah,
criticism, because that's the one that paves the road for the growth.
right.
And keep experimenting what works for you.
Plus, like one tip that I would like to give is try to search what you should be doing in your first month on YouTube or anywhere, any platform of your choice. Ki as an SD1 or as an SD intern, what should be my approach? Like, what should I do in the first month of my internship or my job? तो पता चलेगा कि क्या सीखना रहता है. So that would be good. You can search that. And also like don't take feedbacks personally. Like they don't hate you, they just hated the work that you did. Work improve हो जाएगा, उसकी चिंता मत करो. They nobody hates you. ऐसा सोचना चाहिए.
Yeah. So yeah, those were really wonderful insights. I hope that gives the audience a glimpse to all the experiences and are able to have added some value to their learnings. So thank you very much, Shreya, for your time. We hope to collaborate more in future. So yeah, thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you for inviting me.